Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. During wave 1 and wave 2, Bharat Yog team was there with you throughout. And during this crucial time also, right now as well, Bharat Yog team is there with you. I'll be sharing a recipe of an amazing immunity booster drink today. This drink we all must take, especially during this season and during this time of pandemic. It helps us in protecting us from this third wave. It also helps in better digestion. It also helps in healthy skin, healthy hair, and several other benefits are there. There are four main ingredients in this drink. First is haldi, turmeric, and today, when entire world, there are big universities from different corners of the world, they are doing researches on haldi. We Indians had been using haldi since ages. Haldi works as an antibacterial and also an antibiotic. Another ingredient is which is again a wonderful food to boost your immunity, and third is ginger, which has worked as a protection during first and second wave as well. And fourth and most important ingredient is milk. Milk, which has such a protein which we don't get anywhere else, casein protein. So if you will take this drink every night before going for sleep, it will give you a better sleep. It will also boost your immunity. It will generate some happy hormones in you, and especially at this tough time, we all need to have some happiness inside and around us. So let's quickly look at the recipe and make sure that you have it every day. If you like this video, share it with your loved ones and spread this message among everyone. Thank you. Hari Om.
So here we have all the ingredients with us. This is ginger. Everybody knows about ginger, and this is kachi haldi or raw turmeric. So they both look alike. I will be sharing the difference very soon. This is the cinnamon stick. We have few cardamoms here, elaichi, and there are few white pepper. It is like black pepper, but just there is difference in the color. Now we'll be seeing the difference between raw turmeric and ginger. So when you cut it, this is the color of raw turmeric, kachi haldi. But when you cut the ginger, this is the color from inside. So this is the basic difference between ginger and raw turmeric. Okay, so now we are going to put all these ingredients: cinnamon, kachi haldi, raw turmeric. But ginger needs to be, we need to take very less quantity, as it might be acidic to few people, so it's always better to decrease the quantity. Then we have put all the ingredients inside and mash them properly. Now put this mixture into the milk and let it boil. Now we have kept it to boil for some time. Let it boil properly. Now see, it has started boiling. We are going to keep it on boil for some more time so that we get the exact flavor we need. And then your milk is ready.